Think about it.
See, I'm a problem solver. See if we put some. Alright, welcome to another episode of The Single Life of Cooking. Only today I'm not at Jocelyn's or my house, I'm at the cottage. Beautiful cottage. This is my friend Derek's cottage. Of course, this is the second day, so it's a little messy. But that's okay. So, in true cottage fashion, I'm going to start off by making a drink. So what I'm actually going to make is called a PAM. Basically what a PAM is, I learned this from my friends in Corona, Ontario, which is by Sarnia. PAM is essentially just a white Russian made with chocolate milk. It's far more delicious though. So we're going to start with our vodka. Gonna add our Kahlua. And top it with our chocolate milk. Oh yeah. There we go. Pam. Some good shit. Alright, so for today, we're making homemade burgers and kebabs. So we have chicken kebabs, chicken, and we have steak kebabs. Yummy. Yeah. So I'm going to show you the prep. A little bit of prep. We saved a couple to do prep. I wasn't about to do all the kebabs on film because that would have been ridiculous. So we're going to make some kebabs. I'm going to start with steak. So, got all of our fixings right here that we're going to put on. I know this isn't sanitary, but as we learned from the last episode, I'm not a very sanitary person. Alright, so we got cherry tomato, steak, onion, steak, pepper, steak. I'm going to stab myself, most likely. Pepper, steak, zucchini, steak, pepper, steak, cherry tomato. Yeah, look how delicious that looks. It's like rotisserie Swiss chalet. This should be a, you know how they have that channel with the rotisserie chicken? This should be, what? Rotisserie chicken. There we go. Alright, so now we're going to do burgers. There's going to be a lot of burgers. So basically what we're doing, throw all that in there. Oh yeah. What I'm going to do is I'm going to, during this process, put the spices on just because we have two things. We want to make sure all the meat, so I'm using the steak spice, making sure all the meat gets crap on it. Some garlic salt. It works as salt and garlic. And Worcester sauce. So we got that. And then we're going to add the thing that keeps it together. The egg. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I'm gonna throw that there. And now I'm gonna get the second bunch. Yeah, just hold your horses. Throw this on her. There. And we're gonna add more spices. More garlic salt. And Worcester sauce. It's gonna be scrumptious. And more eggs. Egginess. It's gonna be a lot of eggs. Egginess, egginess. This is the fun part. You gotta get right in here. So if you are not up for doing stuff like this, you shouldn't make it. Now I'm going to add onion after, but I have to make 2 burgers with no onion in it because it is Derek's birthday and I have to do everything he wants as per his request, and he does not like onion. So I have to make his separately. This is really freaking cold. Oh my god. Oh, one moment. So gross. Oh my god, it's cold. Alright, so make 2 burgers. It's a handful. Handful of beef. I'm making big birds. Just because it's his birthday. Well, it was his birthday this past week. So happy birthday, Derek. So now, gotta add the onions. Onions! Right, I'm ready to put the burgers on the barbecue. Or the Barbie if you're in Australia. Let's go. Don't fall. This is a testament to my balancing skills, which I really have. I don't have great balancing skills at all.
Just a plain old fashioned.
Oh yeah, and those are Derek's burgers.
Yeah, it is.
Derek's burgers. Triton. It's a mountain of burgers. And then we brought those out earlier. Alright, let's get some barbecue on.
Brown cow.
It's a mountain of deliciousness.
You know, I forgot.
Scrape the grill.
Not just that. I forgot the vegetables. So I forgot about the vegetables. I'm gonna do it now. And put them on this thingy. So we got asparagus. Asparagus. Ow. Oops.
Wash.
What? They don't need to be washed.
Okay.
They're going on there. Shit's gonna die. God, people.
It's all good.
It's all good.
Maybe cut the ends off them or something. Maybe.
I don't have a knife.
Crack them.
Would you like one?
Would I like one?
Crack them. Where they snap
There we
is
go.
really where they're supposed to go. Really.
True. There we go. We're breaking them off. Oh, that's short. There.
That's what she said. Sorry.
I like that. I'm using that. There we go. Let's do this. It's like snapping into a Slim Jim. Rest in peace, Macho Man Randy Savage.
There you go.
Rest in peace. And Kaniki from Greece, Jeff Conaway. What the hell? He's dead. Too many going. Alright. Put that up there. And we're gonna put the peppers on top. And they're gonna roast. And this is how I'm doing my veggies. Now, burger time! Burgs. Burg is the word. What are you doing?
You can get 2 more down here.
Truest. Very truest. See, my camera people always assist me with these things.
More eyes to see what's going on, right?
Just assist that. Why is there so many chickens? Whatever. We're good. We're good to go. And cook. This is the life. This is the life. Just out in a cottage, out in nature, trees all around, massive deck. Look at this furniture. Look at this furniture here. This is gorgeous. Everyone always wants to go to like Cuba or the Dominican and all this crap. Why? You gotta go through all that stress of airplanes and then being in a different country and worried about customs in those countries and people being and all that stuff. Cottage. It's gorgeous. It's relaxing. It's an actual vacation. Love it. Love it. Okay. So I'm taking the burgers off for the moment so that we can start cooking the kebab, and then we're gonna put the burgers back on and put cheese on it because everyone wants cheese. Cheese is delicious. I'm using Derek's plate. Grab them after we're finished if they want more. Ah! There's an ant! Who's trying to steal the bobs. No, ant. Bobs are for us.
Resilient.
You were... No bobs for you. So according to my cameraman, I should have put olive oil on the vegetables ahead of time, but I didn't. But there's still time. Thank you. Alright, so now we have the bobs almost finished. We're going to put the burgers back on to cook a little bit longer and have the cheese melt. So we're going to start throwing the burgers on. Trying to put these all on. Which ones were Derek's again? These two. Okay.
The corner.
If you end up with a onion one, I am so sorry.
That adds flavor.
I truly apologize. Truly. I don't apologize. You should embrace onion. Oh. If anyone wants a tiny one, there's one back here, which is good. Because some of them don't want to eat too much, right?
Yeah.
And melting the cheese.
I think we should retreat if we need to, but we can each have our plates.
Okay, we're gonna maybe start putting
Yeah. You want to throw these buns on?
buns on.
On what?
On the available grill space.
Shit. So we are ready for our feast. Everything is cooked. Everything looks beautiful. Everyone, except if the rain would just hold out. I hate you, Mother Nature. But anyways, we are ready to eat. So, yummy. Nostrovia.
Nostrovia.
Nostrovia. Nostrovia.